Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making popcorn, as you can see from the thumbnail. I've showed you the corn. Here's the oil, sugar and salt. I've heated up my frying pan. I'll add the oil. Make sure you use a heavy bottomed pan that won't boil your food easily, so the popcorn won't burn. So I'll add my corn now. And salt, and make sure you mix that. I forgot to mix it and it was already popping at this point, so I didn't want to open it again. Make sure you don't open your frying pan or your pot where the corn is popping, so popcorn will get everywhere. Hot popcorn will get everywhere, so just cover it. I opened it a few times, but please don't do that. Just cover it. Cover your pot while it's popping. And I'm just going to leave this to pop until all the corns are done popping. When you stop hearing the popping sounds, just know that all the corns are done popping. Then you can add your sugar. But I'll not be doing that now. When it's done popping, I'll add my sugar. Now that popcorn is done popping, like everything has popped, so I'm just going to add sugar and mix it, and that's all. I'm adding the sugar now. That's all. Like, it's as simple as that. I'm going to mix this well. Enter in the description box. We have come to the end of the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.